The enigma of black holes. What we really know. A dark mystery in space. Imagine a point in space where gravity is so strong that nothing can escape it, not even light. This is the heart of a black hole, one of the most fascinating and mysterious objects in the universe. Scientists have spent decades studying these dark giants, yet they remain shrouded in mystery. Black holes are born when massive stars reach the end of their life cycle. They collapse under their own gravity, creating a region where the gravitational pull is unimaginably powerful. But how do we know they exist if we can't see them? This is where things get truly intriguing. What are black holes? Black holes come in different sizes and types. The smallest ones, called primordial black holes, may have formed shortly after the Big Bang. Then we have stellar black holes, which can be up to 20 times the mass of our Sun. Finally, there are supermassive black holes lurking at the centers of galaxies, often millions or even billions of times heavier than our Sun. Despite their name, black holes are not empty voids. They have a boundary called the event horizon. Once anything crosses this line, it cannot come back. This makes escaping a black hole impossible, leading to a very captivating question. What happens inside? The dance of matter. While black holes themselves cannot be observed directly, scientists use indirect methods to study them. One way is through the effect they have on nearby stars and gas. When a star gets too close, it can be drawn in, creating a spectacular display of swirling gases and brilliant light known as an accretion disk. In 2019, astronomers made headlines when they captured the first ever image of a black hole's event horizon. This achievement was a major milestone in understanding these cosmic monsters. The image offered a direct glimpse into the world of black holes, revealing how they influence their surroundings. A surprising revelation. Many people believe that black holes are destructive forces, consuming everything in their vicinity. However, here's the surprising truth. Black holes can also be sources of energy and even matter. When objects fall into a black hole, they may release immense amounts of energy in the form of radiation before crossing the event horizon. This means that rather than simply being cosmic vacuum cleaners, black holes can play a significant role in the formation and evolution of galaxies. Rather than just annihilating nearby stars, they help shape the very structure of the universe itself. This challenges our traditional view of these mysterious objects. The black hole paradox. One intriguing question about black holes is what happens to information that falls into them. According to classical physics, it seems that this information is lost forever. But in the world of quantum mechanics, this idea creates a paradox. It raises many questions about the nature of reality. This paradox is known as the black hole information paradox. Some scientists suggest that information may not be lost, but rather stored on the event horizon, or even expelled back into the universe over time. This opens the door to many exciting possibilities and theories about black holes and the fabric of space-time. Exploring black holes further. As technology advances, astronomers are more equipped than ever to study black holes. Space telescopes are constantly peering into the dark corners of the universe, gathering data on black holes' behaviors and characteristics. Each discovery opens up new questions and boosts our understanding of these extraordinary cosmic phenomena. In the coming years, we expect to uncover even more about black holes. Concepts like Hawking radiation point to the possibility of black holes being much more complex than we realize. This leads us to wonder, what more can we learn about the universe by studying these enigmatic objects? What lies beyond? The future of space exploration is exciting. Missions to probe deeper into the mysteries of black holes are being planned. For instance, scientists are considering missions that could send spacecrafts nearby to study these cosmic wonders up close. With each new mission, we inch closer to answering lingering questions about black holes and their place in the universe. As we learn more, the allure and the enigma of black holes only deepen. Join the conversation. The mysteries of black holes inspire wonder in everyone. How do you feel about the vastness of space and its wonders? Are you excited to learn more about black holes and what lies beyond?